Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I came up with this orange, playful, bold look. It was really fun. I dug out my 35B Morphe palette and I was like, let's do a bold look. It was really fun. Again, I'll say it time and time again, if I can do it, you can do it. I never touch eyeshadows, and for me to come up with these looks, it's not that hard. It's just blending. So if you want to see how I came up with this look, then let's get into it.
Mother. Sucker.
Alright, we are live. Alright, so I already have my brows on because I know that would take a very long time in the video. So I was like, let's get it over with. I did this look before, but the battery was dying and for the camera and then for the mic and everything. So I was just like, I'm gonna redo it and maybe hopefully it'll come out better than the first time. I'll insert some pictures here. And it was pretty cool, but because it was so rushed, I just tried like finishing the look before the mic died, and the mic ended up dying anyways. And I didn't put on my lashes right. I forgot to put mascara on. So I was just like, I'll just take a picture and I'll post these on my blog, which is fairly new. So that's up, you guys should check it out. So Carlos got this for me a while back, the Shadow Insurance, and I've heard so many good things about it. I'm just gonna rub this all over my lid, up to my brows. Oh, it's a little tacky now. That's normal, I think. I think that's supposed to be normal. So now I'm just gonna set it with powder and go in with the shadows. I'm gonna use the Coty Airspun powder. And I usually set my under eye concealer with this brush, so I'm just gonna use this to set the top. Alright, so they look set. I'm gonna grab this fluffy, it's not tapered, just a fluffy brush. And I think I'm just gonna go into the yellow. I'm gonna just go into the yellow on the very corner. This is a 35B palette, by the way. I don't think I ever said that, by Morphe. I'm gonna go into the yellow and start that as my transition shade. Hopefully it works out. So I'm just gonna put this all over my lid, mostly like above the crease. Not over my lid. I'm just gonna put this above my crease. Okay, transition shade. I think I should probably just start at the orange now. This one looks like more of a mute orange and this one's more like a brighter orange. So I kind of want to go into this one and then put this like the center, make it like the lid. So that's what I'm gonna do. And this is a bigger fluffy brush. And I thought orange was such a perfect look to do right now just because it's so like springy. Thinking that's looking all right. Now I'm gonna grab like a more flat, like fluffy brush. I'm gonna start putting this really bright like neon orange right all over the lid. That's bright. This is like highlighter orange. Now I'm gonna go in with the yellow again and try to just like blend out the edges. I'm gonna go in with this like flat brush. I'm gonna go in with this red and I'm gonna pack it like right in the middle of my lid. And I'm gonna keep this really close to my lid. I don't want it to go, I mean really close to my lashes. I don't want it to go far out too much. Okay, and I'm gonna flip it over, go into that bright orange again, and blend on top of it. This looks pretty cool. I like it. And I'm keeping it all matte, which I kind of really like. I'm gonna do my concealer first, and then I'll go in doing the under eye. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this fluffier brush. It's still a little flat. I'm gonna grab that muted orange, this one, and I'm gonna blend it all over the bottom of my eyes. So now that I have that, I'm gonna go in with the one that I used the red for, and I'm gonna go in with that darker red that I used on the lid, and I'm gonna blend it in a little closer to the waterline. And I'm gonna try to attach it to the top lid as well, so I'm just kind of like basically tracing the edge of my eye. I'm gonna go in with this flat brush, a little flat brush. And I'm gonna go in with this one. Hopefully it comes out cool. And I'm gonna stay really close to the waterline because I don't want it to like make me look like I have bruises under my eyes, so. I'm gonna put it a little bit on the corner right here just so it doesn't look so sudden, but I'm not applying like any more shadow. I'm just kind of making like a little tiny little wing. I look crazy. Okay, now I want to highlight a little bit because that's what I forgot to do last time. I'm gonna grab this fluffy pencil brush and I'm gonna go in with shimmery yellow right here. And I'm gonna use this for the inner corners. When I do my face, I usually go backwards with the highlight, blush, and bronzer. I'm gonna do my highlight first. I just got this Apricot highlight from e.l.f. and I thought it would go perfect with the look because it's more on that like I don't know, I feel like it correlates great. It's like it's pretty subtle, so you kind of have to like go in pretty generously to make sure it shows up nicely on the chin. I don't put too much on the chin because I don't like how it shows my texture on there. For blush, to keep it that orange look, I have this blush by NYX called Double Dare, and I thought it would go perfect with the look. I try to keep a light hand with this one because it's super pigmented. One swipe and it's like really orange. And I use like that same swipe for both my cheeks because it's pretty intense. It's almost like an eyeshadow. A little more on the tip of my nose. I like how Rin does that. I think it's really cute. And now I'm gonna do bronzing and a little bit of contouring. I'm gonna grab my ABH contour kit. I'm gonna grab this angled brush. I always get blush and brush mixed up. And I'm gonna go in with this color and just carve out the cheeks and my nose just a little bit, but I normally just use bronzer on my nose. Did a little bit of contouring, not really, very little. And then I'm gonna go in with my Hoola bronzer and bronze up with this. Oh, I forgot to highlight under my brows. I'm going with this little baby. It's such a pretty highlight. I love it. It's so nice. So I'm gonna go in with the Ardell Wispies, the 113s. And I'm gonna use my Tarte lash glue. It's so quiet in my house. I feel like I can hear myself breathing and it's weird. I just put on my lashes and they're kind of looking a little weird at the band. I'm gonna see if brown liner will fix it. That did help a lot actually. That closed up the gap a little, so I'm just gonna put mascara on my bottom lashes and I'm gonna touch up my brows a bit because I feel like powder and stuff got in it and lighten them. To top off the look, I'm gonna go in with Clay Crush by Maybelline. And I'm just gonna put it all over my lips. Where else? that's it. That's the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I had so much fun making this look. It was a fun journey trying to figure out how I wanted this to come out, and it came out really nice. I really enjoyed it. For the most part, it's just kind of a go with the flow look. Do what you think looks great. Have fun with it, and most importantly, have fun with it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, everything, and I'll see you guys on the next one.